Morning, or should I say hello and welcome to another video, or hey guys and all that stuff. Well, I guess with that being said, this is part 3 of the trying to get this thing looking a little bit better than it already does. Poor thing's looking a little bit sorry for itself. Aiming for a bit of a longer video today with my terrible voice over it. So I'll go a little bit of a walk round. So we're a little bit perished, a bit tired. The old calipers needs a bit of time. That's what we'll probably do today. Lights are a little bit faded. I normally do that once a year, and they come up quite nice, but even they're looking a little bit tired now. Some of the yellowing on the inside of the chrome bits, it's all come through, so it needs to be redone. Got a little bit of keeping the planet green. Got a bit of moss on the go. You can see all of this arch here is where the reaction, it's some sort of reaction that's happened. Got painted a long time ago, had a damaged rear arch, took it to a paint shop, came out looking alright. It had quite a lot of orange peel on it, so I sent it back and they redid it, they flattened it all off and made it look really nice and smooth. But 2 years later, all this started happening, and I was like, I can't really take it back to them, they're not going to do anything after sort of a year or two, but it hasn't lasted any time at all. Might just be that it wasn't particularly good underneath. Japanese import, they're not particularly brilliant on paint 9 times out of 10 when they come in. All the algae from the first video. So that being said, let's get to what I've been up to this week. This week I got the battery charged. I was sick of bringing around the Hilux to charge it up every single time, give it a jump start, so just gone for a full-on battery charge, and it's held out for a couple of days actually, and it's not missing a beat, so just needed a good charge. I think every sort of Sunday I come out here, I turn the thing on and give it a good run, but I don't drive it anywhere, so I don't think it ever actually gets a charge. I just think me turning it on all the time isn't really helping it out in the slightest. So yeah, got some wheels to do, tyres to do, paintwork to do, cam covers, spark plugs, leads, lots of stuff to do. Got a bit of a garden project to do. I'm going to build a workshop so I can do some of the stuff from inside the workshop. So let's start off with a little clip of what I was mucking about with the battery, and I'm going to get this jacked up now, and I'll do a little video of how the caliper comes out. Right, first try since the chargers, find out whether we've got 12 volts or if I need a new battery. Oh no, looking good. Oh, that's much better. Excellent. That's all jacked up. Get this front wheel off, and make a start on some of the corrosion and all that old paint I used to have on there. See, that's taken off. You can see the old got Bilstein twin turbo shock in there. I did have coilovers on the front, but I was just going through front splitters. I had fiberglass front splitters. They were just getting smashed up every time you go through a pothole or over a bump. So got a polyurethane one now. So it might be time to put the coilovers back on, or probably get some new ones. Actually, they're HKS ones. I think they've had their time. So got this weapon to take the wheels off. Never let me down. Pretty powerful old thing. I've got absolutely tons of stuff to try and get the corrosion off of this caliper. I'm going to start off with a Dremel, and I've bought a whole bunch of these little, they're a bit small really, but they're stainless steel. We'll give them a go. Pretty fast rotation on these, so might be able to do a good job. So yeah. That's the wheel off. 17-inch stern wheels, had them for years. I love them. I wish they were just 18s, but they're good set of wheels. I really like them. P6000 tyre. This is such an old tyre now. There's so many cracks in it now. Just like they're perished. They're so old. Here we go. Quite a decent size caliper. They're only the sort of standard ones that come with the Jap imports, I think. They're actually a good brake, but I think apparently the other ones, the UK models and the twin turbo models, are a lot better. So you can see the Bilstein in there. Wasn't painted by me, but interesting choice. Someone's done it luminous yellow and then done the bottom bit red, but they're actually really good. Car handles quite nicely. Brand new Dremel. Same as the one I used to have. I blew that up trying to do the drop links on the Hilux. I couldn't really get to them. The nuts and bolts were all completely corroded, were rusted together, so I thought I'd cut them off. I could manage to get the Dremel in there with a cutting blade on it, but yeah, it just blew up. It couldn't handle it. It was a bit too much work for it, but nice shiny new one just for this. So let's see how we get on. Well, I bought a few of them, but I mean that's done a pretty good job. Well, I don't really know what I was expecting, but that's come out better than I thought it was going to. I'm not quite finished. I've just been at it for maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes. No, not even that, 10 minutes. Thinking of being a bit lazy though, I think I might not bother doing all the back. Just do this line here. So the line that goes through there. Just do the bits that you can really see, and that seems to be the bit that goes rusty. This just seems to be made of something different, and it just seems to clean off. So yeah, I might just do the bits that you can see. Yeah, if you've managed to get through this video this far, maybe comment on some colours. Car's probably going to stay silver. If I get it resprayed, I'm probably going to keep it silver, or similar to silver. Yeah, I don't know what colours go well with silver. I'm tempted to go just black. I'll get some stickers, just some sort of decal there. I might go silver or grey. Yeah, maybe giving me some ideas, and let's put it all back together. Even with a quick blast over, it looks pretty good. I've been looking at some different kits that you can buy. The majority of them come with like a clutch and brake cleaner, so I'll give it another blast, give it a proper clean down with whatever colour I go for.